essentials because it's December and I'm cold. It's 2018, everybody. Let's be honest. These are feet overplayed, outdone, boring, old news. Let's get into something more interesting. You know what's interesting? Our elbows. You know what we haven't done for a while? Walk on them. Let's learn how to walk on our elbows in 2 minutes. Prerequisites: single elbow freeze on both sides as well as double elbow. Understanding how to walk on your hands first is pretty relevant. Cross your arms, hands facing forwards. Don't twist your arms sideways and don't make fists. Keep your fingers wide. In the same position, put them on the ground. Find something you can put your legs against. A tree, a wall. Now grip the ground as you kick up against the wall. You want your body in a straight line with one leg front, one leg behind, and your toes just touching the wall. Once you can hold it on a wall for 30 seconds, you can start coming off the wall. Then try going just slightly up and coming back down without a wall. When you're upside down, you don't want to straight back like this. You want to arch your back like this. Apply that arch to your freeze. You're going to be falling a lot, so just learn how to fall properly. Tuck your chin and do a somersault. Don't fall flat. That hurts. In a down dog position, practice bring your elbows over top of each other in a walking motion. Then boost yourself up about halfway and try taking a couple steps on your elbows. Do this until you can step about 2 or 3 times. Get progressively higher and higher with each kick until you're holding a centered position. When you get to center, flex your body and try to balance. And keep both your legs behind you. There is honestly no trick to this move. It's literally just trial and error and practice, but apply all these steps over and over again and you will get it. My fingers and toes are officially the same color as my cheeks and nose. So I think we'll call it a wrap there, everybody. This was Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never Crew. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe for more content. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more of this face, please follow me on Instagram at Magnus.Magneto.